Hi, hello again. So in this video we will use easyocr to get text from images. I already did a video like this, but using PyTesseract. If you want to look at that video, please check the description of this video. I will leave a link for that video there. So let's get started. The first thing that we must do is pip install easyocr. So going here, let me open the terminal. I will not install because I already installed it, but you should do pip install easyocr. Okay, hit enter and it will start doing the magic. One important thing to say here is it will take a while. Okay, that's why I am not doing it again. It will take a while, and also for me it showed an error, but it was not a big error, so this continues to work. Okay, there is no problem. Let's go back here and let's start doing our code. The images that I will use here is this one. They have this image in their website and also this image that I took from Wikipedia. Okay, so let's start. The first thing that we must do is import. So import easyocr. Okay, is just this. And then for the first image we have here Chinese and we have English. So we must declare a reader that is equals to easyocr dot reader, and to the reader we provide a list with the codes for the expected languages. Okay, so in this case is English EN, and for Chinese I have to go to the website and see what is the language. So here in the PyPy page for easyocr, we go to the home page and going down they have here several examples of the things, but the one that I want to see is here, the supported languages. Let me open, and here they have here a list of languages and the codes that are for those languages. Let me check for Chinese, and I guess it is traditional Chinese, so the correct code is this one. Let me go back to the code, put here. So the first step, actually the second step is done. Okay, that is saying to the reader what languages we expect from the image. Then we can read. So results is equals to reader dot, and what we want to do, we want to read the text from where, from the image that have the name a.jpg. So a.jpg. Having these we can print the results. Oops, print the results like this. Okay, go away. Yes, so now I can run this Py program and let's see what is the output of this. It displays here a warning saying that if I was using GPU it would be much more faster, but okay, we will wait, and we wait. It will take a while. How much more? If you have a very big image it will take even more. Okay, and it just returned this crazy thing. Okay, we have here, this is a list of tuples and each tuple have 3 values. The first one is these crazy numbers, the second one is the text that he got, and the third one is this crazy number. Okay, so let's try to understand this crazy stuff. The first stuff is actually the X and Y positions of a box, and if we go here to the examples they have here, as you can see they have here these red boxes, in the things that the algorithm thinks that are the text. So the algorithm will uh, create these boxes, okay, and those values are the x and y positions of each box, okay. So the first thing, we already know what it is. The second one, as you can see, is the text, right? And the third one is how much the algorithm thinks that E is right, okay? So E is guessing that at least it has the certainty that at least 80% is okay, okay? You got these 80% okay. But let's put these more user friendly. Let's say, let's declare a text that is equals to empty string, and for each result in results, we want to append to the text the result at index 1, where we get the text, okay, plus a white space, okay, and then we can print the text, so it will be more easy for us to see. Let's run, and again is complaining about the GPU. One thing that I want to warning here is, if you every time that you include here a new language, it will start downloading the language packages, and it will take a very long time, okay. um, so we got the result, we have here the result, okay, and you got the thing, at least for the English part, that is the part that I know is okay. The Chinese part, well, I can only guess the characters are right. I think they are right. But because I don't know Chinese, I cannot make, because the Chinese characters are very, very complex. So I guess it's right. Let's try another one. This one. This is a text that I got from Wikipedia. And let's say here, well, now check for the B, the b.jpg, and this one will take more time, so we must wait even more. But we eventually will get a result. And let me put here these, so we can watch the text, and let's wait. The PyTesseract video, the one that I used in the previous video, is actually very, I think it's faster than this one, but I don't know if it is good. I didn't compare the two, so I can't say. This will take a while, a very while. Also because I am recording, and every time I have the the software for recording on, everything is slower, so I have to wait even more. But eventually it will return a result. And yes, we got the result. We have here the result, and is almost there. We have here a error. Okay, it's not an error. You got the letters correct, but we don't have here a space. But there is no problem with that. I think it's almost everything okay. So I think this one is actually a very good option. Okay, the links for these for this, for the PyPy page and for the translation will be in the description of this video. Don't forget to leave a like to this video, to share with your friends, to leave a comment, and as always, thank you for watching. Bye.